So if 2.5 is not an integer and 3 by 8 is not an integer, what type of numbers are these? As you probably have studied earlier, these are examples of rational numbers. A rational number is a number which can be written as the ratio of two integers p and q, where the denominator, the integer in the denominator, should not be 0. So q must not be 0. Now it turns out that it's fairly easy to represent the set of rational numbers in set builder notation. We can do that by writing it as a set of all numbers n such that n is the ratio of two numbers p and q, where both p and q are integers. This means they belong to the set Z, which is the set of integers, and q is non-zero. So this is a simple way in which we can write the property of rational numbers, which has to be satisfied by every member of the set of rational numbers. We could have written this in a slightly different way. We could have written the set of rational numbers as the set of numbers of the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not 0. So instead of using a single variable n, we could have used two variables p and q directly and said that the set of rational numbers is the set of numbers of the form p divided by q, where both are integers and the denominator should not be 0. The convention is to represent the set of rational numbers by the letter q. So you can think of this q as being the first letter of the word quotient. Since we are taking p and dividing it by q, we are performing a division here in defining a rational number. So there will be a quotient of that division, and you can think of q as representing the first letter of the word quotient. Of course, the value of the rational number will be the actual value of the division operation. So here 5 by 2 is a rational number. The value of that rational number is the result of that actual division, which is 2.5. So 5 by 2 belongs to the set q. 3 by 8 also belongs to the set q. But it turns out that square root of 2 is a number that does not belong to the set q. Square root of 2 is an example of an irrational number. This is not the place to discuss irrational numbers since we're talking about set theory, but I just wanted to give an example of a number which does not belong to the set of rational numbers.